Mm. Hello, and welcome to this year's full moon spookathon readout time. This is your host, Aaron Schmaltz. Yes, tonight we will be reading a tale entitled A Lovecraft Christmas. Let us begin. 'Twas the night before Yuletide, and all through the hole not a creature was stirring, not even a dole. Aldebaran hung at the right place at 9, in the hopes that great Cthulhu would come out this time. The fungi from Yuggoth, all hung in their caves, were plotting to turn all the people to slaves. The deep ones in Reria, the ghouls in their graves, were dancing and singing and acting depraved. When what to my wondering eyes should appear but a mouldering sleigh and 8 corpse-like reindeer, with a horrible driver so leprous and reeking, I knew right away that my fear was unspeaking. The reindeer were gross as they flew up from hell, and hoarsely whispered and chanted a shub Nigrath Cthulhu Tagin Nirlathratep, I summoned you on. As decomposed flesh before the charnel stench rise, and meet with the open air polluting the skies, up to the housetop the horror it rose, the gangrenous odours assailed my nose. And then in a sloppy noise heard on the roof the rumbling clomping of octopoid hoofs. As I drew in my head and was turning around, the horror lurched into my room with a bound. Its eyes, how they pulsate, so bulbous and gory, this blasphemous creature, so noxious and hoary. I was frozen by fear, my feet wouldn't run. I threw up my cookies, this wasn't much fun. It whispered my name and said, "You come with I." I tried to refuse, and it said, "Then you must die." It came at my throat, with its grim claws extended, but a miracle saved its victim intended. It had 3 elder signs, and a slot in the floor. It screamed with a fiendish sound, and went out the door. It sprang to its sleigh, and its team gave a surge, and away they all flew, to the sound of a dirge. I heard it exclaim as it flew out of sight, "You're lucky this time, for the stars